Ready to ditch the physical SIM card and unlock the power of Google Fi on your iPhone with an eSIM? Let's get started. First, confirm your iPhone model is eSIM compatible. Typically, iPhone XS and newer models support eSIM functionality. Double-check compatibility on Google Fi's website to be sure. Next, find your iPhone's IMEI and ID numbers, head to Settings, tap General, then About, scroll down, and note these down, you will need them. Download the Google Fi app from the App Store, open it, and sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your eSIM. If prompted, scan the eSIM QR code provided by Google Fi during setup. You might receive it via email or within the app. Configure your cellular settings. Under Settings, then Cellular, choose Google Fi as your primary line for data and voice. This will ensure seamless connectivity. Allow a few minutes for activation. Your iPhone will connect to the Google Fi network, indicated by the Google Fi signal in the status bar. If you encounter issues, restart your iPhone, reset network settings under Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. And if problems persist, contact Google Fi support for expert assistance.